Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you love smart, eco-friendly rides with modern style and serious performance, you're going to enjoy today's review. Right now, we're taking a close look at the 2026 Yamaha Electric Cycle, powered by a strong 350W motor. A perfect blend of efficiency, innovation, and everyday practicality. Starting with the exterior, this electric cycle looks clean, sporty, and modern. The frame is lightweight yet sturdy, designed for daily commuting as well as relaxed city cruising. The sleek lines, aerodynamic profile, and premium paint finish give it a futuristic vibe that instantly stands out on the road. The LED headlight and taillight not only enhance visibility, but also add a sharp, high-tech look. Moving inside the riding experience, the comfort level is impressive. The seat is well padded and ergonomically designed for long rides without fatigue. The handlebar position feels natural, giving you full control whether you're navigating traffic or enjoying an open road. A clear digital display shows speed, battery level, range, and riding mode at a glance. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. This electric cycle is powered by a 350W motor that delivers smooth and consistent acceleration. It's quiet, responsive, and perfect for urban environments. The battery offers a solid riding range on a single charge, making it ideal for daily commutes, short trips, and eco-friendly travel. Regenerative efficiency and smart power management help maximize performance while keeping energy consumption low. When it comes to price, the 2026 Yamaha Electric Cycle offers excellent value for money. It's positioned as an affordable yet premium electric option, making it accessible for students, professionals, and anyone looking to reduce fuel costs. With low maintenance expenses and no fuel requirements, this electric cycle is a smart, long-term investment. Safety has clearly been a priority. The cycle comes equipped with reliable front and rear braking for confident stopping power. The strong frame design adds stability, while bright LED lighting improves visibility in low-light conditions. The balanced weight distribution and responsive handling make every ride feel secure and controlled. To sum it all up, the 2026 Yamaha Electric Cycle, with its 350W powerful motor, is stylish, efficient, and practical. It delivers a smooth ride, modern features, and impressive value, all while supporting a cleaner and greener future. Whether you're commuting daily or just enjoying weekend rides, this electric cycle is a fantastic choice. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest content. Thanks for watching, ride smart, ride electric, and I'll see you in the next one.